The BSL belt sander is just the right solution for grinding and polishing, especially in places inaccessible to other devices. The delivery package includes 4 sanding belts, 2 each of grit 80 and grit 180, one of them pre-assembled. The BSL comes in an elegant and extremely stable case, permitting easy storage after use. Due to its specially designed arm, this tool is ideal for grinding small holes and openings, for instance, besides machining diverse forms, surfaces and radii. It even comes with 2 operating modes. To achieve particularly flat surfaces, only the linear belt guide at the bottom of the arm should be used. By contrast, soft contours can be created very nicely with the unsupported belt section at the top. This device's numerous capabilities are accompanied by an infinitely adjustable belt speed and the grinding arm's 60-degree angular adjustment range. Maximum flexibility, straight from the factory. The geared head, made of die-cast aluminium, enables highly precise ball bearing fits for perfect guidance of the transmission elements. The bevel gear is therefore able to transmit high torque levels under the best possible conditions, which maximize the gear's durability. However, the abrasive belt will need to be replaced every now and then, not only because of the different grit sizes offered to cover the range of possible applications, but also because of the inevitable wear on such belts. But none of this is a problem. The little return pulley at the end of the arm pre-tensions the belt to the required degree by means of a spring force, so that replacing the belt couldn't be easier. To remove it, just slide it off sideways. After that, simply mount the new belt while keeping the grinding arm pushed in slightly. Finished. A fine adjustment screw can be used to perform any minor realignments to the belt to restore perfect guidance. Allow us to present yet another useful accessory at this opportunity. For quasi-stationary operation, the device can be clamped safely and dependably with our micro-mott device holder. And notice, grinding generates a lot of dust, but this dust can be effectively suctioned off. Use our low-noise, powerful, compact CW-Matic workshop vacuum cleaner to keep your air and surroundings clean. Simply connect the suction gland provided for this purpose. Ready. Proxxon. Tools with character.